So, good morning. I am Deepak Bhalikar. My topic is zener diode. Sure, I am starting my topic. Zener diode. What is a zener diode? A zener diode is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed operated in a reserve direction. So, who have found the zener diode? History of a zener diode. Cleric Melvin Zener in 1905. That 1993, Clarence Melvin Zener was the first person to describe the electrical properties of Zener diode. Clarence Zener was a theoretical physicist who worked at Bell Lab. As a result of his work, the Zener diode was named after him. He first postulated the breakdown effect that bear his name in paper that was published in 1934. So we will go for third slide. How does a zener diode work in reverse base? A zener diode operates just like a normal diode when it forward basing. However, when connected reserve base mode, a small laggage current flow through the diode. As a reserve voltage increases to the predetermined breakdown voltage, in short form we can say Vz, current starts flowing through a diode. The current increases to a maximum which determines the series resistor, after which the stabilize and remain constant over with range applied voltage. There are two types of breakdown for Zener diode: avalanche breakdown, zener breakdown. So now we will see the valence breakdown in zener diode. Valence breakdown occurs both a normal diode and a zener diode at high reserve voltage. When a high value of reserve voltage is applied to the p-n junction, the free electron gain sufficient energy and accelerated at a high velocity. This free electron move at a high velocity, collides other atom, and knock off for electron. Due to this continuous collision, a large number of free electrons are generated as a result of electric current in the diode rapidly increases. The sudden increase in electric current may permanently destroy the normal diode. However, a Zen diode design operate under a valence breakdown and can sustain the sudden spike of current. Valence breakdown occur in Zener diode, which Zener voltage Vz greater than 6 volt. Now we will see the second part of Zener breakdown in Zener diode. Okay. When the applied reverse base voltage reacts close to the Zener voltage, the electric field in the depletion region gets strong enough to pull electron from the band. The valence electron that gains sufficient energy from stronger field of depleted region break free from a parent atom. The xenodiode region, a small increase in a voltage result in increases the electric current. Now we will see the circuit symbol of Zener diode. There are many ways in which Zener diode package. Some are used to high level of power dissipation and the other contain with surface mount format. The most common type of Zener diode is contained within a small encapsulation It has band around one end making the cathode side of a diode. So we can see here zener diode circuit. Okay, VI character of a zener diode. The diagram is given below show that we are characteristic of a zener diode. It was going horizontal forward circuit. The V1 character of a zener diode can divide in two parts as follow. First is forward characteristic. Okay, we will see this first forward characteristic of zener diode. The first quadrant in a graph represent the forward character of a zener diode. From the graph, we understand that it is also identical of the forward character of any other PN junction diode. It was saying forward character of zener diode is in a first quadrant only graph. Now we will see the reverse character. Reverse character of a zener diode. When a reverse voltage is applied to a zener voltage initial, a small reserve saturation current low flow across the diode. This is current is due to the generated minority carries as the reserve voltage is increases at a certain value of a reserve voltage. The reserve current increases drastically and sharply. This is an indication that the breakdown has occurred. We can call this voltage breakdown voltage or Zener voltage and denoted by Vz. So Zener diode specification. Some common use of specification of Zener diode are follow. Zener breakdown voltage. The Zener or versus breakdown voltage range from 2.4 volt to 200 volt. Something it can go up 1 kV. Well, the maximum for the surface mounted device is 47 volt. Current is max. It is a maximum current at the rate Zener voltage. Volt 200 ampere to 200 ampere. Current minimum. It is a minimum value of a current required for the diode to break down. Power rating. It is denoted max power then diode can be dissipated. It is given by product of voltage of a diode and the current flow through it. Temperature stability diode around 5 volt has best stability voltage tolerance. It is a typical plus minus 5%. Resistance Rz. It is resistance to Zener diode excited. So we have seen here Zener diode specification. Application of a Zener diode follow are the application of Zener diode. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Zener diode is a user shunt voltage regulator for regulating voltage across small load. The breakdown voltage of a Zener diode will be constant for a wide range of current. Zener diode is a connected parallel to the load to make it reverse based, and once Zener diode exceed gain voltage, the voltage across the load will become constant. Zener diode in over voltage protection. When the input voltage is higher than the Zener barrage voltage, the voltage across the resistor drop resultant in a short circuit. Current can be avoided by using a Zener diode. Zener diode in clipping current. Zener diode is used to modifying AC waveform clipping circuit by limiting the part of either one or both of half cycle of a AC wave. Thank you.